What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Bar Chuckin'. I'm out here today to harvest some garlic scapes, and I figured I'd bring you along, show you how I'm doing it. So, these are actually garlic that I got from my brother. He let these heads go to seed, and then they fell back into the garden, and then we separated them in my garden bed, and then he separated some in his. So right now this is getting a little firmer, so it's easier just to cut it. Maybe I'll try to see if I can pull one out. So this would kind of be neat. So if you grab here, I just kind of hold back just a little bit, and as you pull, oh, I was pulling the garlic out. See how this kind of started sliding down? Yeah, that one's a little too big. I think I'll have a few over this way that I can show you. But all I'm doing is just coming and snipping them off. This stops the energy from coming in here to create the bulbils, and it allows the energy to go down to the bulb for the garlic to form bigger cloves and a bigger bulb. So I'm going to check on this guy, see if I can pull it. Oh, nope, as soon as I started pulling it just snapped. Okay, I see one that's a little smaller. So right here, this one's kind of thin. And if you just nope, it just kept breaking. But these are actually pretty cool. They have a strong kind of garlic odor. You can chop it up, use it kind of like as a green onion or a scallion. Smaller ones are definitely better. As they get larger, they kind of get more woody, and they're not quite as nice, but you can still chop them up if you're gonna just go for flavoring something. Of course, I'm on this side. This one will probably, nope. Okay, yeah, they all just keep breaking off anyway, so I'm just gonna keep cutting them. So I didn't do a great job this year separating the hard neck and the soft necks. Most of the soft necks should be kind of over this way, but the hard neck is the only thing that produces the scape. Yeah, so it's kind of neat. It definitely gives you an added benefit for, oh, I see I missed one right here. Okay, now see this one. This one here is a little woodier. Still smells really nice though. But yeah, so if you've never tried growing hardneck garlic, it gives you another added benefit. I left one right here. Get some of this out of the way. So I did leave one right here. This doesn't have any lower shoots right now, so I will let this one go to seed. And if it drops the bulbils here, I'm fine with that. If I can get out here and harvest them, that's even better. But yeah, this is kind of neat. If you haven't grown hardneck garlic before, this kind of gives you just an added benefit. I have gone ahead and fermented them, sliced them maybe about in 2-inch pieces, and fermented them, and they were really tasty. If you guys have any questions, make sure you drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.